Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can unlock games on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your games and applications. Here in the right, you're gonna find your game library. As you can see guys, right here, you're going to find all of your installed games and apps. Right here in the left, you're gonna find two options, PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And here in the top, you're gonna find all of these sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings. And lastly, right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So right now, in order to unlock games on the PlayStation 5, first of all, go to the account you have games in. For example, I'm gonna go here, click on switch user, and then choose the account that you own the games in. For example, this is the account I have games in. So once you're in the account, go ahead and search for settings, and then once you do that, go ahead and click on users and accounts. Then once you do that, right here you're gonna find all of these sections. You're gonna find account, family, privacy, linked services, authorized apps, and other. Go ahead and click on other, and then right here you're gonna find console sharing and offline play. Allow anyone who uses this PlayStation 5 to use your games and media even when the console is offline. Go ahead and click on this option, and then once you do that, go ahead and enable this option, and then you will unlock the games you have on this account on every account on this PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.